So yeah, it's 12 euros admission. You can bring your friends or your dog or your feet. We made it back to our Odyssey. Let's see what we're gonna do tonight. Phil, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Let's do this. Here we are, watching this happening. Going to this lock. You see how tight it is on both sides.
It's happening. The bridge has come up.
Oh, it's coming.
There it is. We went to green. We're heading out to sea.
This is a really tight passage.
There we go. We're under our umbrella now.
I wanted to get out to the back.
Here we are, having dinner with our friends.
Yeah.
Just cruising the river.
We're going up a pretty darn little river.
What do you think, Johan?
Hello. You want to say something?
Yeah.
All right, look at this. We are going up the river from Seville and we're heading to Tangier, Morocco. And we are surrounded by good people here.
Well, some of them.
Well, that's what we got.
This is life on Villa V.